In round 6 of Norway Chess 2025, the unthinkable happened. World chess champion D. Gukesh beat Magnus Carlsen, the world number 1. And while Carlsen banged the table in frustration, Gukesh just smiled and said, 99 out of 100 times I would lose. Just a lucky day. That's not just humility, that's focus, precision, and a glimpse into the future of chess. This was Gukesh's first ever classical win over Carlsen, and he didn't do it by chance. Behind that board was an invisible teammate, AI. Today's grandmasters don't just play, they train with supercomputers. Gukesh, like many modern players, uses reinforcement learning chess engines like AlphaZero and LC0. These models show why a move works, not just what to play. He also taps into real-time strategy tools from DeepMind's AlphaZero legacy, Google's Gemini chess trainer, and open source databases to prep for opponent styles, move by move. Remember, Gukesh met DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis, himself a FIDE candidate master. They discussed AlphaZero's influence on human play. And it shows. Gukesh's training goes beyond brute force engines like Stockfish. He's learning positional play from AI and emotional discipline from experience. The new generation of Indian chess champions, Gukesh, Pragnananda, Arjun Erigaisi, are not just inspired by Vishwanathan Anand, they're enhanced by AI. At the 2024 World Chess Championship, Gukesh became the youngest undisputed champion at 18. He used AI-powered eye tracking, real-time attention analytics, and emotion monitors, all integrated into his training. Even Anand admitted at Machine Learning Developer Summit 2024 that AI helps him design training exercises and explain more rationale. Gukesh's win today isn't just a point on the table, it's a sign of the new era, where tradition meets technology, where intuition is enhanced by iteration, and where AI doesn't play the game. It sharpens the player. This wasn't luck, this was calculated brilliance, with a chess engine whispering in the background. And for Magnus, just another table slammed in Stavanger. This is Front Page by AIM TV. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.